How to change background color in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in the editing workspace, tap the media button to add your video or image clip to the timeline. Next, select the clip for which you want to change the background color. To change the background color, scroll down to the options in the menu and select Background. You will see options such as Color, Transparent and Blur. In the Color tab, you will find several color options. Choose your preferred color from the color palette or use the custom color option. Adjust the layer size and position if needed to perfectly fit the background behind your video or image. Finally, preview your video to make sure the background color looks good. When satisfied, tap the export button to save or share your video. Now you know how to change the background color in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.